First order of business. Kasi gutom na talaga ako.
4 lang at a time?
Yeah. Oo. Ang mga takaw mata, mga patay gutom. Hindi ko ang kakainin ko. I'm moving the plates. Tapos, hindi ka siya. This is tuna gangkan. Kaya siyang, onigiri but make it sushi. Sure. Salmon. Cup. I'm gonna try the salmon nigiri sushi something style. Oh my god. Ang sarap, bro. What the hell, eh?
Kapag na umuwi ng Pilipinas.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, busog na kami, pero we're on the way to get matcha. Pura na lang kayo, so lahat magsarado na kayo. Charot. Grabe naman ang shopping. Kala mo wala nang bukas. So, ilang oras pa lang kami sa Japan. Pero yung budget ko na doble na agad. Yan na naman ang mga patay gutom. Diba? Pagod na kami, guys. Wait. Lahat magigiyukatsu kami today. But, close siya. 11 pa closing yata, tapos 9 pa lang. Pero parang ubos na yata yung mga shinamishu food. Yung cutlet siguro. Nangyari na din before. So, nag-curry kami. Huwag kami patay gutom. Pero gutom na kasi talaga kami. Taste test. Inat, bro. Usok pa, oh. Okay, masaya na ako. Up. Okay, so day 2. We're in Family Mart now. We're gonna buy lang snack before we go. Today our plan is Shimokitazawa, Shibuya, and Harajuku. So sana mag-buy. But yeah. Yay! Tummy chiki! I also got onigiri, but yeah. First onigiri of the trip! Look how cool this place is. It's called Ogawa Coffee Laboratory. And they prepare your drinks in front of you. Para siyang cool experience. Hindi kasi, minix ko siya kanina. Akala ko like, walang lasa kasi sobrang like, hanggang dito yung milk niya. Tapos, onti lang yung matcha. Pero apparently, hindi. Ang sarap niya. Like, oh my god. Like, ang sarap niya. Hindi ko yung nakala. Tapos, nag-ask ako if may binibenta silang powder. Wala daw. Ang ganda rin ng experience, no vibe. And like, next is, I think we're gonna go to another cafe named Matcha Passport. Muntik ko nang kainin yung mic. So ngayon, after namin mag-Ogawa Coffee Laboratory, pumunta kami sa Japanese Tea Lab kasi nakita ko sa TikTok. Tapos, swerte. Teka lang, apa, swerte, we got 100 grams of Maruku Koyaman. Hindi ko pa ito na-try, it's Yugen. Na-try ko pa lang yung Awarashi. And then may isa pa siya ni-recommend na ginagamit daw ng cafes here sa Shimokitazawa. Itong, teka, ano ba ito? Sawan no Homare. So, ito walang limit. Yung isa kasi may limit, 1 lang per group. Sabay kami pumasok ni ate. Ngayon, isa lang nabili namin nun. Pero ito, no limit. So, we got 4. Ah, di. So, may kalahating kilo na kami ng matcha. And I also got, sifter. It's Marukyu brand also. Pero sifter lang siya. And lalagyan nung 100 grams. And then, I also got matcha shakers. Ito siya, para mabilis pag on the go, ganyan. Tapos, after nun, nag-cafe hop kami to Matcha Passport. Na-try ko na siya, and ano siya, matapang. But like, masarap. Hindi siya matapang na parang, ganun. Pero like, masarap siya. Very rich. Tapos, from Kyoto din yung matcha nila. It's their signature blend. Tapos ito, Cocoa Cloud Matcha. Parang siyang coconut juice, coconut water, basta coconut something. Tapos refreshing din siya, pero hindi kasi ako mahilig sa coconuts. This is the signature matcha latte. Na yung blend niya is kalimutan ko na. Basta yun. Parang siyang itong dalawa, si Ogawa Coffee Lab and itong Matcha Passport. Kasi isang parang compound. Dito lang rin yung Japanese Tea Lab. ASMR. Ayan, sir. Parang enough matcha na ako for today. For the morning. Oras na ba? 12:08. Time check. So, ito kasi yung one of the reasons why I wanted to go back to Shimokitazawa. Kasi I wanted to go back to this thrift hub. Parang may nabili ako before na parang 50 pesos lang yung sweater. Tapos sobrang ganda ng quality. Sobrang sulit. But now, apparently, it's closed na. So, ang sad lang. Anyway. Excited na ako. Best meal of my life. Sarap. May blush pa daw ba? Pangakamay ko sa iPhone. Oo nga. Grocery dinner for today. Kasi pagod na kami so much. Yan lang. It's the Tokyo Sky. Ano ba yan? Tama. It's a Tokyo Sky Tree. We're in Asakusa Arch. Our lunch for day 2. Let's try the eel. Ito yung specialty nila. Hindi ako mahilig sa eel, but sarap. Patry ko pang urge. I don't like it. Lasang dagat. Sarap yung eel and then yung tenderloin. So we're here in Suzuki and ito yung may 7 levels of matcha. We tried it before na and ang sarap. So, binalikan namin siya. Yung nasa pinaka-red, yung pinaka-strong. It's the strongest matcha in the world, or so they claim. I got the number 6 and number 7 matcha. Sarap. Sobrang tapang. So after Suzuki, we went to Nagoya. Nag-matcha hopping lang talaga kami. After namin mag-Suzukian, we went to Nagoya. It's first time trying. As we got some roasted matcha latte. This one is the blended matcha latte. Try it. I like it. Japan. Burger stick. Oh my God, ang laki ng can. Mga timer. Dessert